Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you very important topics, MRI of pelvis, planning protocol and step-by-step guide. So now let's go started. You can see here there are three images, both are localized images. The first image is coronal, this is sagittal and this is axial. Now we will do the plan. STIR sagittal. STIR sagittal planning will be on the coronal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning. Okay. And showing the protocol. Here, look here. Showing the parameters. Look here the pathology. Wow, very big. Okay, now the next planning, T2TSC coronal. So T2TSC coronal planning will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. And look here, the pathology. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Now the next plan, T2TSC transverse. So T2TSC transverse planning will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Okay. Cover the pathology. Now the apply. Okay, now next set up the planning post contrast T1 FS transverse. Now I carefully following the anatomy and physiology and nicely set up the planning. Look here the pathology. Okay. And then final. Okay, now next T1 FS coronal. Okay. Now apply. Now the final T1 TSC transverse FS. Just open the protocol and copy normal T1 TSC. Just copy parameters, slice and scissor region. Now okay. And then apply. Now the next T1 TSC sagittal FS. Just open the protocol and follow T1 non-contrast, copy, slice and scissor region. Okay. Then apply. And then open. Okay. Okay. Apply. Then apply. Showing here the final image.